Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Amazon. This integration allows you to import Amazon products into your Shopify store and earn affiliate commissions, making it a powerful tool for expanding your product offerings without holding inventory. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify dashboard where you'll manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the home page, look at the left side of your screen and locate the Apps section. You'll see an option that says Add, so go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll access all the apps and integrations available for your Shopify store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. This will open up the entire marketplace of apps designed to enhance your store's functionality. Here you can find tools for marketing, inventory management, customer service, and much more. In the search bar, type Amazon Spreadware. Once the results appear, click on the Amazon Importer Spreadware app. This is the tool that will bridge your Shopify store with Amazon's product catalog. After selecting it, click Install to begin the installation process. Now, Shopify will redirect you to a permissions page where the Amazon Importer Spreadware app will request access to some of your personal data and store data. This is a standard security measure that ensures the app can function properly within your store. Review the permissions and click Install again to confirm. Now, you'll need to wait while the app loads and completes the installation process. This can take a few moments depending on your connection speed, so be patient. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, but the app will notify you once everything is set up. Once it loads, you'll see a 3-step setup guide appear on your screen. Let me walk you through what each step means. The first step is to add the Spreadware app block. You'll need to enable this app block in your Shopify theme so that the Amazon Buy button displays properly on your product pages. This button is what customers will click to purchase through your affiliate link. The second step is to add your Amazon affiliate ID. To do this, you'll need to sign up for Amazon Associates if you haven't already. Once you have your account, enter your affiliate or tracking ID in the Spreadware settings. This is crucial because it ensures that all commissions from sales are tracked correctly and attributed to your account. The third step is where you start importing products and earning commissions. Once everything is configured, you can import Amazon products directly into your Shopify store. When customers click through and make a purchase, you'll earn affiliate commissions. You can track all your performance metrics directly from your Amazon Associates dashboard. Now comes the exciting part. You can copy the link of any Amazon product you want to add to your store and paste it into the quick import box. After pasting the link, simply click Import Product. The app will pull in all the product details, images, and information automatically. And that's it. You've successfully connected Shopify with Amazon and you're ready to start importing products and earning commissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.